Hey, my name is Arif Billah. Today I will show you how to install the Apache on your server. After installing Apache, you will visible your website live. Okay, so the user can enter your website using IP address, or if you add domain, so the user will enter your website using domain. Okay, so after let's enter your AWS dashboard. You will get the interface like this, and click on the instance and enter instance. The last part of the video, I will show you how to actually deploy an instance, create an instance, and another things, put in installation, SSH key converted. So if you miss this video, you will you should watch this video fast. Okay, so click on here and the IP copied, and go to file manager where we download putty. Okay, open putty, and here paste the IP, click on the plus icon, then auth. After clicking auth, you will click browser and select our uh, SSH key that we converted using puttigen. So you see here my server.ppk extension, so you should ensure that the extension is ppk. Okay, open. You will get a prompt, just accept, and root login. You just here type ubuntu. The default username, root username is general username is ubuntu. Okay, okay, we successfully entered our ubuntu server. So first of all, we run a command, sudo apt update. Okay, so our necessary package will install using this update. So I already write some command. I will uh, attach this command on description. Okay, so you can easily run this command using copy paste. Okay, so I already done this command. So again we run this command. Okay, after complete this command, I will copy this command. Actually this is the installation command. Okay, if we run this command, the Apache will be installed. Okay, so you see here on promote coming, so just you click on OK, and again OK. Okay, done. Then our second command, sudo apt install apache 2 -y. Okay, you just hit enter. Okay, so our Apache is installed, and if I go to the browser and here paste our IP, click here and paste IP and hit enter, we see our Apache installation successfully done. Okay, okay, so let's you see here on page coming, we can modify this page from Ubuntu server. So how actually do it? You see here I don't need this command. Okay, I already write a command. Okay, So if I click ls, okay, so we go to, at first we go this directory var www.html. okay, so you see here we already go the HTML folder, and here we see the index.html. okay, we just remove or delete this file using rm command. Rm, that's mean remove file. okay, remove. So if I hit enter, yes, and if again ls, okay, rm index dot sudo, we should write sudo because this is not a root user, so that's why we need to sudo rm index.html. okay, done. So if I write here ls, and we see here now our index.html is not found. So now we will create a index.html file. If I remove here, okay, you don't see any folder because we already removed the file. So now we will create a file. So how you will create a file? So just write here touch index.html. okay, so sorry, we need to write sudo at first, sudo index.html. so you must be ensured that you write sudo. okay, sorry, sudo touch index.html. okay, so if I write ls mean the list. okay, if we enter ls and hit enter, we will get the list of this folder. okay, so we edit this file using on editor. so the Linux is the name of the editor is nano index html. hit enter. okay, we just write sudo nano index.html, and we just write hello world. okay, just exit way. okay, and now we reload our IP, and you see the hello world. okay, so we can add file advanced way. Today I just see how to install Apache. okay, I just show you how to install Apache and the simple page. so next tutorial I will show you how actually edit the file advancedly. okay, how you can connect your server using FileZilla FTP connection. okay, so thank you.